Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Books Mania. I am Anmol Dhul and today I want to express my sincere gratitude to all of my viewers and subscribers. Friends, your kind support means the world to me and it inspires me to create great content every single time. Now we will be discussing our book and that is Autobiography of a Yogi written by Paramhansa Yogananda, who was a yogi himself. Friends, I have previously made a video on this book where I didn't show my face, but I was not happy with that one because I wanted to share more about the significance of this book. First and foremost, I want to inform all of you that this book is not just like any ordinary book that you can finish in one reading. For me, this book is quite magical because even today I read only one chapter per day because the content is so deep that it completely captivates my mind. Each chapter introduces you to a whole new world that so many people are not aware of. Friends, I have recommended this book to so many people, but only two have actually read it. Dear friends, as you read through this book, you will discover a wealth of knowledge about spirituality that you may have always wanted to know. Let me share my own experience with you. As a kid, I often pondered on many spiritual matters, such as the significance of visiting temples, the purpose of worship, the significance of fasting during Navratri, and the existence of deities. I wondered whether they were real or just some fictitious stories ingrained in our minds. I often wondered about the meaning of seeing deities in our dreams. Were they just creations of our subconscious mind? In 2018, my sister recommended this book to me and it answered all of my questions. After that, whenever someone initiates a conversation with me about these topics, I immediately suggest they read this book. But unfortunately, many choose not to. But I remain convinced that it would be beneficial to anyone seeking answers to spiritual questions. This book contains profound knowledge that can completely change your life. However, some people are hesitant even to touch it, but I believe that reading this book will be immensely helpful for you. Friends, this book is completely based on the life of Paramhansa Yogananda and consists of all of his experiences from his birth to death. As you read it, you will feel as though Yogananda is directly speaking to you. Our nation has been the birthplace of so many great rishis and sadhu saints since the ancient times, and we should be proud of it. But unfortunately, some people disrespect the real ones after encountering the hypocritical and the fake babas. This book is a blessing, and whether or not you want it in your life, it is entirely up to you. Now, let's discuss some of the interesting aspects covered in this book. The story begins with the fascinating account of Yogananda's birth. Both of his parents came from educated and spiritual families. After Yogananda's birth, their spiritual guru, Shri Lahari Mahasaya Ji, predicted that their son would become a yogi in the future and help countless souls achieve liberation. This book tells the story of how Yogananda's father, Shri Bhagwati Charan Ghosh Ji, became a disciple of Shri Lahari Mahasaya Ji. It is quite remarkable because Bhagwati Ghosh was not a religious person at first. He was a practical person who didn't believe in these things. Yogananda had many visions of his past life as a yogi performing sadhana or tapasya in the Himalayas during his childhood. After that, many strange things started happening to him, such as the Divine Mother fulfilling all his desires and his own words becoming a reality in the future. In one event, he just couldn't control himself and ran away from home to live like a yogi in the Himalayas. However, at Haridwar, his elder brother Anantda caught him and the whole story became quite funny. During his journey, Yogananda met many great saints and yogis, and each of them has been described in this book precisely. He also encountered some hypocrites. After that, he met his spiritual guru Sri Sri Yukteswar Ji under unusual and awe-inspiring circumstances and began practicing Kriya Yoga. During his sadhana, he made direct contact with the Divine Mata Rani, and in one incident at Kali Mata's temple in Kolkata, he had the darshan of Divine Kali Mata for some time. This book is so powerful and amazing that it will consume your whole existence from the first chapter. You won't be able to think about anything else. Now, let me tell you about those events that completely blow my mind every single time I read them. In the first event, Yogananda was in a death-like situation, and then Shri Lahari Mahashaya Ji saved Yogananda through a picture of him. The second event that amazed me was when Shri Lahari Mahashaya Ji met his spiritual guru Shri Mahavatar Baba Ji for the very first time. This book describes everything impressively, including how Mahavatar Baba Ji built a golden palace especially for Shri Lahari Mahashaya Ji to fulfill his one desire from one of his past lives so that he could detach himself from all the worldly things. The last event was when Sri Yukteswara Ji entered Smadhist Avastha, which means he passed away in normal people's terms, but in reality, yogis never die. After that, Yogananda was distressed, and one day he had the darshana of Lord Shri Krishna, which indicated that he would experience some spiritual event, and after exactly 1 week, Shri Yukteswara Ji appeared in front of him as if nothing had happened. All these chapters made me contemplate heavily about everything, even our own existence. Dear friends, in this book, we will delve into the guru-disciple tradition that has been followed in India since the ancient times. I feel a sense of excitement every single time whenever I read about Shri Lahari Mahashaya Ji and Shri Mahavatar Baba Ji. Now, I would like to share some information about Shri Mahavatar Baba Ji, a great saint who has been alive for over 5,000 years and still resides in the northern Himalayas near Badri Narayan with an ashram near Holy Kailash Parvat. He is the founder of the spiritual practice of Kriya Yoga, a meditation technique that has been passed down by Yogda Satsang Society of India, which was founded by Yogananda himself. Some well-known people who believe in Mahavatar Babaji include superstar Rajnikant and Shri M. And Rajnikant sir even made a movie named Baba in his honor, which is available on YouTube. And if you want to search more on him, you can find so many videos on Mahavatar Babaji available on YouTube. Friends, this book is profound and powerful enough to change your life completely, and that's why so many people don't dare to read it. However, after reading it, I guarantee you will have some life-changing experiences. This book will inspire you to explore your spirituality and gain a deeper understanding of it. And it will convince you to even accept the existence of God, and after reading it, you will start to respect the real saints and sadhus. Friends, I don't care how much time this video will take to complete, but right now I am feeling very lucky to be able to share this great book with all of you. After reading this book, I am convinced that all these deities and great saints like Shri Mahavatar Babaji, Lahari Mahashaya Ji, Neem Karori Babaji and Yogananda and the ones that shown in the Kantara movie truly exist. The only difference is that we can either try to understand these things with an open mind or deny them completely. This book also mentions about one great yogini known as Mataji, who is very popular and also known as the sister of Mahavatar Babaji. She has also been alive for over 5,000 years. Friends, this book is not like any ordinary book. It offers a deep understanding of spirituality that I haven't found in any other book. Honestly speaking, it's very difficult to explain everything that this book encompasses. And even today, I take my time to read and understand a single chapter each day. This book also talks about some foreign saints, and it also includes an event related to Swami Vivekananda Ji. I found it quite intriguing and thought-provoking. Friends, If you are curious enough to read this book, then I would highly recommend you to read it like a novel in your first reading, and then in your second reading try to understand all the concepts that has given in this book. If you want to purchase this book, I have provided all the links in the description box below. Friends, if you end up reading this book, please share your thoughts and experience with me in the comment section. And if you think this video or book will help any of your friends or family members, then please share it with them. And friends, I hope you like this video, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another great book. Till then, bye bye.